I feel relaxed. I feel the body is light. I feel a kind of, there is something which has been removed from my body.
There you go. Unasikia? Kuna uchungu.
Yeah, there's a big change. Because the last time I was feeling the body being very heavy. The legs were heavy. But now I can feel they are light. I feel good.